Mr. Hargrove made mention in his speech there about.
Thank you, Chief. Continue.
Yes, about spending funds, that we're wasting taxpayers' dollars. We want to spend what we want to spend on about a memorial, and then he's mentioned about a splash park. Let me say this about the splash park. Those funds, once again, are splash dollars, and it has to be spent in recreation. We are spending the money correctly. We're not throwing the money away. And most of all, that everybody sitting in this room are adults. We've lived our lives. It's not about us anymore. It's about these kids and giving them somewhere to go. And that area there in that park, it is in the underserved area, and I will say that. But it's for all of Waycross, not just for that area. It's for all of Waycross, all of color who wants to come to that park, and that's what we're doing. It's about the kids. He talked about division. Hate is really taught. When you're born, you don't know that, but you're taught certain things. And if this thing continues to go the way it's going, we're going to need a lot of prayers in Waycross. People are coming in here talking about hate, division, and all of this, but yet we're forgetting about the kids. They're watching everything we do. They're learning from what we did. History teaches you that also if you watch that. But I'm here and I'm going to say, because he brought up the splash pad and wasting money. That is not wasting money. That is giving them the kids somewhere to go, to keep them out of trouble, keeping them active and out of mind. You know what happens with out of mind? I'm telling you today, Waycross, we must come together, and it's not all about us. It's about the kids. And that is my focal point about this splash pad. And I got a passion about the kids thing. Had a lot of people that talked about Boys and Girls Club. Won't you do this? Won't you do a Big Brothers, Big Sister? Let me tell you something about that. When made mention of that, and that's one of my platforms when I came in about that, I fought hard with people beside me. But when we talked about the funds, what it was going to take, they walked out the door. So on this right here, to all the Waycross, I'm not going anywhere. This is going to happen. And I'm not wasting anybody's taxpayers' dollars. That burns me up for someone to come and say that's what we're doing. But I want Waycross to come together as one and think about this. It's about the kids and not us. Thank you, Mr. Mayor.
Thank you, Commissioner. We have heard from Commissioner 3, District 2, District 3, Commissioner Solomon Gaines.
Thank you, Mr. Mayor. Thank you, Commissioner 3. You put that together very well. It's very well stated. It is about the children. So I don't know where Mr. Hargrove's getting his information, but people, and I say it all the time, don't let somebody else tell you what's going on. You read, you research, and you find out for yourself exactly what's going on. But anyway, we get off that soapbox.